Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, trip odometer, audio, internet radio, Pandora, power brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.